To use a TD Bank gift card online, you will need to follow a few simple steps. First, make sure you have your gift card information readily available, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Next, go to the website of the online retailer where you want to make a purchase. Add the items you want to buy to your shopping cart and proceed to checkout. When prompted to enter your payment information, select credit or debit card as your payment method. Enter your TD Bank gift card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code, in the required fields. Be sure to enter the information exactly as it appears on the card to avoid any errors. If your purchase amount exceeds the balance on your gift card, you may be able to use another payment method to cover the remaining amount. This is known as a split transaction. Not all online retailers allow split transactions, so you may need to check with the retailer beforehand to see if this is an option. Once you have entered your gift card information, review your order to make sure everything is correct. Then, submit your payment information and complete the transaction. You will receive an email confirmation of your purchase, and the balance on your gift card will be updated to reflect the amount you spent. It is a good idea to keep track of your gift card balance to avoid any declined transactions. You can check your balance by visiting the TD Bank website or by contacting their customer service department. By following these steps, you can easily use your TD Bank gift card online and take advantage of the convenience and flexibility it offers.